Africa, a continent celebrated for its rich diversity, vibrant cultures, and breathtaking landscapes. Yet, hidden within this vast mosaic is a rare and captivating phenomenon. Blue eyes, a trait typically associated with Europe. Blue eyes in Africa are not only a genetic anomaly, but a doorway to deeper mysteries of ancestry, culture, and identity. Today, we explore the African tribes with blue eyes, tribes where this rare trait is more than just a physical feature, but a cultural and spiritual symbol. Blue eyes are an extremely rare sight in Africa, where dark skin and eyes are the dominant traits. But in certain regions, particularly in parts of Ethiopia, Kenya, and Egypt, blue eyes are seen in a few distinct tribes. These tribes possess a genetic rarity that has both baffled scientists and sparked local myths. How did these communities come to have such an uncommon physical trait, and what does it mean for their identity and culture?
Kò sẹ́ni tó ní nínú fámílì àwọn bàbá mi kò sẹ́ni tó ní mí nìkan lẹ́ni àkọ́kọ́ tí màá kọ́kọ́ ní ojú yìí ìgbà tí mo dẹ̀ ń bí àwọn ọmọ tèmi náà àwọn náà ní mi dẹ̀ regret lórí ojú yìí pẹ̀lú àwọn ọmọ mi rí wọ́n bí mi mọ́ ojú yìí ni èmi náà dẹ̀ bí àwọn ọmọ mi mọ́ ni látọjọ́ tí wọ́n ti bí mi ojú yìí ò dààmú mi rí débi kán máa gbé mi kúrò hospital.
Hello, me and Abush. Me I'm from Jinka, Ethiopia.
Specialist from Ari tribe.
In the remote Omo Valley of Ethiopia, one of Africa's most culturally rich regions, the Ari tribe stands out. Here, among their vibrant community, blue eyes are a rare yet captivating trait. For the Ari, blue eyes are often attributed to divine blessings or connection to their ancestors. Oral traditions speak of a time when people with blue eyes were considered special, gifted by the spirits that once roamed the earth. But how did this trait, so uncommon in Africa, find its way into this community? Genetically speaking, blue eyes result from mutations in the OCA2 gene. While this is more common in populations with European ancestry, the Ari's blue-eyed individuals may have inherited this trait through ancient migrations or rare genetic mutations. Far to the north, in the arid plains of Kenya, the Rendle people live a life shaped by the desert. Known for their resilience and deep spiritual beliefs, the Rendle are another group with individuals who have blue eyes. Much like the Ari, the Rendle view this trait as sacred, often tied to their ancestral spirits. The blue-eyed individuals are seen as blessed, believed to have special ties to the gods. These eyes, framed by the harsh environment, stand as a testament to their enduring connection with the spiritual world. The presence of blue eyes in the Rendle can be attributed to genetic variations that might have been passed through ancient trade routes or migrations. Such traits are also seen in populations living in isolated environments, further complicating the gene pool's makeup. The science behind blue eyes in Africa is tied to genetics, specifically a mutation in the OCA2 gene responsible for the production of melanin, which gives our eyes their color. In populations with darker skin, this mutation is rare. However, studies suggest that blue eyes can occur in African tribes due to ancient migrations or gene flow from Eurasian populations, possibly dating back to the time when the African continent was a cradle of humankind. Blue eyes in Africa may be the result of a mix of genetic mutations over millennia. Some scientists suggest that ancient populations of North Africa, connected through trade and migration with Eurasian peoples, could have passed on the blue-eyed gene. It is a rare but fascinating example of how interconnected human genetic history really is. In both the Ari and Rendle tribes, blue eyes are more than just a genetic trait. They carry cultural and spiritual weight. Among the Ari, those with blue eyes are often considered to possess wisdom or divine favor. In the Rendle tribe, the blue-eyed individuals are revered, seen as protectors or spiritual guides. The eyes, framed in blue, symbolize a deep connection to their ancestors and to the unseen forces that govern their lives. Cultural narratives like these elevate the importance of blue eyes within these communities. They are often seen as a divine gift, marking these individuals as special or set apart for a greater purpose. In recent times, blue eyes in Africa have also sparked conversations about beauty and identity. Globally, blue eyes have often been associated with certain beauty standards, typically seen as exotic or rare. But within African cultures, these blue-eyed individuals are a reminder of the diversity that exists within the continent. Blue eyes challenge the conventional notions of African beauty, showing that beauty is not one-dimensional but can be found in the most unexpected traits. The presence of blue eyes in African tribes is a living testament to the complexities of human genetics and the deep cultural legacies that shape our identities. It is a reminder that Africa, with its immense diversity, continues to reveal new layers of beauty, mystery, and connection. Blue eyes are not just a genetic anomaly. They are a symbol of Africa's rich and varied history. At AfriEye, we delve deep into the untold stories of Africa, shining a light on its hidden gems. Join us in celebrating the extraordinary. Like, share, and subscribe for more captivating content.